In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bookafy account. Let's dive right in and get you set up with this fantastic tool that helps manage appointments smoothly. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Bookafy's website. This is the official page where you can start the process of creating your account. Once you're there, look for the button that offers a 7-day free trial. This trial allows you to explore the features of Bookafy without any commitment. Go ahead and click on that option. Next, you'll see a form where you need to enter some details. Start by typing in your full name in the designated field. It's important to use your full legal name as this helps in setting up your account correctly. After that, move on to the next field where you'll need to enter your email address. Remember, this should be your primary email address since all notifications and updates from Bookafy will be sent here. Once you've filled in your email, the next step is to create a secure password. Choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account remains protected. Be sure to remember it or store it in a safe place. After setting up your password, there's an option to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through these if you haven't yet, and then proceed to click on the agreement. Now, with everything filled out, click the sign up button. At this point, Bookafy will create your account, but you're not quite finished yet. To ensure that your email address is active and that you're ready to receive important communications, go to your email inbox. Look for a message from Bookafy and open it. Inside, you'll see a link to complete your registration. Clicking this link is an essential step to verify your new account. Once you've verified your email, it's time to start personalizing your account. You'll be prompted to enter the name of your business. Make sure this name accurately represents your business as it will be part of your Bookafy profile. After entering your business name, there's one last click. Hit the finish button. And there you have it. Your Bookafy account is all set up and ready to go. Thank you for following along. Now you're prepared to use Bookafy to streamline your appointment booking process. Feel free to explore all the features available during your trial period and see how it can benefit your business. Have a great day.